So after all of that, I get a grand total of $8.10 by taking all the hard drives and scrapping them to the bare bone, which was about 2.12 times the money I would have gotten by not scrapping them and sending them in. Obviously, you have to, well, some people don't because they do this as a hobby. So for them, you know, time isn't that important because they're doing it for fun and for pleasure and for learning purposes and, you know, making a few extra bucks. For other people, it's a business and time does matter. So in this case, I think the video took about a good 30 minutes. If you do the math on that, 30 minutes, obviously it would have taken a lot less if I wasn't speaking and if I wasn't taking time to show you guys things and weighing things. So pretty much made $8 on 30 minutes. So pretty much came out to 16 bucks an hour. So not a bad way to make some money if you think about it. How many places do you know that pay $16 an hour? So like I said, in the description, I'm going to look on eBay to see how much the magnets go for and how much the platters go for. Like I said, I used to remember these used to go for about 50 cents per pair. And the platters I only sold once, so I don't recall how much I sold them for, but I think, if I remember correctly, they would go for about $1 a piece. So in the description, I'll put that information, add a little extra to the video. And like always, like and subscribe. If you guys have any comments, wonderful. Suggestions are great. If there's something you want me to scrap, I'll try to find it and scrap it for you guys. I've done that for other people in my videos. So hopefully you like this video and all my other videos, and I'll see you guys soon.